How to use Kettlebell, your step-by-step guide to using kettlebells. HowExpert with Emily Nemchik. HowExpert publishes quick, how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more. The oddly shaped and versatile kettlebell has only recently gained attention in popular fitness. These objects serve as tremendous ballistic training tools that can quickly result in increases across all fitness domains. This how-to ebook takes you step-by-step from the history of kettlebells, to basic biomechanics, and through an extensive repertoire of kettlebell movements. Each movement is carefully explained and demonstration photos are provided throughout. At the end of each major movement chapter, an action plan is outlined that will give you workout ideas so you can start right away. As a training tool for the branches of military and service, kettlebells are designed to train you in functional movement and fitness. Whether you are going for a short and intense workout, a slow and easy one, or even just want something to swing and move around a bit, the kettlebell is sure to challenge you in a way that no other fitness tool can. Follow the movements and workouts provided and you will be on your way to a stronger, healthier you. About the expert. Michael Rosenberg is an expert kettlebell instructor who has been training with kettlebells since 2000 when he trained with a Giravoy Sporting Club. After practicing kettlebell sport for 5 years on his own, Mr. Rosenberg began using kettlebells to train soccer players, Olympic-style weightlifters, dancers, and even a professional tennis player. He has successfully utilized modified kettlebell training techniques to rehabilitate athletes and non-athletes alike from all sorts of injuries due to overuse or trauma. Mr. Rosenberg actively trains 6 to 10 athletes at a time in his brand of kettlebell exercise, preparing them for sport and life. He enjoys sharing the benefits of kettlebells and hopes this book will serve as a stable base for those interested in health gained through proper movement. HowExpert publishes quick, how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.